Are you curious about what each dashboard warning light in the 2024 Honda Civic? How does the cluster display enhance your driving experience? This guide answers these questions and provides insights to keep you informed and safe. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. A steering wheel is a round control device used by a driver to direct the movement of a vehicle. Door controls are mechanisms or buttons used to operate, lock or unlock vehicle or building doors. The 2024 Civic features either a 2.0-liter or 1.5-liter turbo four-cylinder engine. T-integrated buttons for audio, phone, and cruise control. These let drivers adjust settings without taking their hands off.
Cluster indicators.
Parking brake. Automatic brake hold system. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system. Seat belt reminder. Low fuel indicator. Anti-lock brake system. Seat belt reminder. Electric power steering system. Vehicle stability assist. Vehicle stability assist off. Low tire pressure. Turn signal and hazard. Lights on. High beam. Auto high beam. Fog light. System message. ECON mode. Normal mode. Low temperature. Cruise mode. Adaptive cruise control with low speed. Auto idle stop off. Auto idle stop suspend. Auto idle stop system. Immobilizer system. Adaptive cruise control with low speed. Safety support. Lane keeping assist system. Shift position. M 7-speed manual shift mode. Transmission system. Shift up. Shift down. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.